Welcome to Quest for Facts. If you enjoy learning amazing facts, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.
Could humanity live on Mars? Well, that's a question that has intrigued scientists, dreamers, and even movie makers for decades. As we look up at the red planet in the night sky, we can't help but wonder, could Mars, the mysterious neighbor in our solar system, become our second home? Let's dive in and explore what it would take for humans to live on Mars. First off, let's talk about the environment. Mars is a cold, dry, and desolate place. The average temperature is about negative 80 degrees Fahrenheit, with some areas dipping as low as negative 195 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that's a chill that would freeze anyone's hopes of relaxing in a comfy lawn chair. But hey, can't we just build some heated domes? Well, we might be able to, but there's still the issue of air. Mars's atmosphere is over 95% carbon dioxide. So what are we going to breathe? A huge part of our survival plan would be figuring out how to produce oxygen or find a way to terraform the planet to make it more Earth-like. Which brings us to a fascinating idea. Can we terraform Mars? The short answer is, not yet, but scientists are working on it. Imagine this. If we could somehow release gases like carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, it could warm up the planet and make it more hospitable for humans. But this process would take centuries, maybe even millennia. So while we're waiting, we'll need to rely on technology to create habitable spaces. Speaking of technology, let's talk about the real hero here, robots. Robots and rovers, like NASA's Perseverance and Curiosity, are already exploring Mars for us. They're taking soil samples, testing the atmosphere, and searching for signs of past life. These little explorers could one day help us establish a base on Mars by setting up essential infrastructure before humans arrive. Now let's be real for a second. Even if we manage to get there, the journey isn't a walk in the park. A trip to Mars could take anywhere from 6 to 9 months, depending on the position of Earth and Mars in their orbits. Imagine being stuck in a spaceship with a group of people for that long. No Wi-Fi, no Instagram, no Netflix. What will we do? Well, besides staring out the window at the vastness of space, we'll need to keep busy with tasks and experiments to stay healthy and sane. But let's not forget the biggest hurdle, the gravity. Mars has only about 38% of Earth's gravity, which means our muscles and bones would weaken over time. We'd need to exercise regularly to keep our bodies in shape. And don't even get me started on the radiation. Without a thick atmosphere to protect us, Mars is bombarded with harmful radiation from the sun. That's why any habitat we build on Mars will need to be well shielded. But what about food? How would we grow it? Well, scientists are experimenting with growing crops in Martian soil, and some have even tried using simulated Martian soil right here on Earth. However, the soil on Mars contains toxins that would make it dangerous for us to grow food directly in it. We might need to bring soil from Earth, or better yet, use hydroponics to grow plants in water without soil. It's a tough challenge, but it's possible. So could we live on Mars? In the distant future, it's very possible. But we'd need incredible advances in technology, long-term sustainability solutions, and a whole lot of determination. Would you want to go to Mars if you had the chance? What would you miss most about Earth? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts. After all, the quest for facts never ends.
Thank you for watching.